Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well during this time. Since at this moment in time I'm not taking clients in for makeup, I thought I would stay inspired and kind of post videos on here along the way just to keep you guys inspired as well. So today's video is the Naked Skin by Urban Decay, the foundation. I use this as one of my foundation lines when I'm doing client makeup. So I've just kind of done the rundown of the steps that I use to achieve this base look. I do like going for foundations and lines that are more look like skin. They're not cakey, they're very lightweight, but they provide coverage and a luminosity to the skin. So that is why I really like this Urban Decay Naked Skin one. And it does actually have skincare in it as well, which is going to help fight fine lines and firm the skin. Let me just see, I think it's green tea and antioxidants and vitamins that they've actually infused into this foundation, which I really like the idea of that. The other line that I use is Advanced Mineral Makeup for the base, but if I'm not using that, then I will reach for this one. So I really hope to see you guys soon. Hang in there, but if you want to see in the meantime how I create this base, just keep on watching. And that is how I do my pretty much everyday base to get a glowy skin. And this is the finished look. This is the finished look of how the Urban Decay Naked Skin looks on my skin. And it just looks like a glowy, dewy skin. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you for your next makeup event. You can get a hold of me to book for your next appointment. Bye guys.